Hi everyone!
I'm Lina.
And I'm Mona. And today
We are in Pocha.
it's like a traditional Korean restaurant, almost actually a drinking place.
Yeah. And we are gonna try different Korean foods today.
Yeah. So let's check it out together.
Yay. We wanted to film in this kind of pocha, but unfortunately it's too early. And I guess
They're still not working. Maybe they will be open like at 7 p.m. or something, but it's like 5:30 now and they're still not ready. So we're gonna go to another place. Still very cool. By the way, did you guys know that in Korean you see that it's written Hyunane, the name of the restaurant, and it actually means that it's like Hyuna's place or something, like at Hyuna's. Did you know this?
no, I didn't.
Learning some new facts today. So yeah, this is the pocha. How pochas look.
We are now going to Iljiro, and you can see there is like a lot of different stores and like old men working.
Very old, yeah.
Yeah. So this is a very hot place for drinking recently and eating food in the evening. So this is Cheonggyecheon.
Yeah, Cheonggyecheon. Did you know that actually Cheonggyecheon is the birthplace of all Korean Pocha matcha? They appeared like 60 years ago after the Korean War, and now there's so many of them.
Yeah, now it looks a little bit different, but they still have their own charm. Back in the days, pochas were really popular, but now they changed a little bit, and it's mostly like a mix of inside and outside drinking place.
Yeah, it's called 실내 포장마차, and previously it was literally a wagon or a truck. Actually, 포장마차 actually just means covered wagon. So they were just moving around the street and bringing the snacks and alcohol to people. But now it's a little bit different, and you're gonna see how.
Yay!
Let's go!
I'm so hungry, very hungry. This district is very old, almost ancient. You can see that there is like small, I don't know, factories. Yeah, factories. Workshops? Yeah, also workshops. We saw a place where they're selling like chemistry, something like I don't know,
there's a lot of like
tools.
metal works actually,
Yeah.
like a lot of like
Plastic.
yeah, woodworks, like metal works, acrylic, and all of these things are done here.
Yeah. Also, Lina told me today that there are actually a lot of art galleries here.
Yeah.
I haven't been to any of them, even though I also like art. So I guess we have to check it out, and you guys can check it out
This
too.
area is like really trendy nowadays, so
That's
they're
true.
like mix of modern and old Korean culture and stuff.
My boyfriend is a producer, and they were doing a photo shoot here. It was actually super cool because they have like graffitis all over these old factories. Super cool. And also, we went to a really cool cafe, like a loft style. It's also like 2-storied, I guess, and everything inside is kind of old. And you look at it and you're like, why did I come here? But it has its charm again.
Meeting locals.
Hello. Hello.
So let's check the menu.
It's actually really cool that they have
Photos,
pictures here.
yes.
Because if you're a foreigner, you will never be able to find out what that is.
Yeah, it's not that common to have pictures actually.
Yeah.
So we have different seafood here.
I love
Oh,
this
me
one.
too.
Yeah.
Wow.
And some sausages. Ah, this is my favorite thing.
Oh, what is that?
Taktumchip.
Oh, okay.
Taktumchip is like chicken butt. Literally chicken butt.
Yeah, it is.
Chicken butt.
You like chicken butts?
Yes.
Chicken butts.
And some chicken, of course.
Yeah.
Fried.
Right.
Oh wow. Kwado.
Oh.
Yellow peach. with tomatoes, with cherry tomatoes.
If you really like the chicken butts,
Yeah.
I never tried it. We can try
Let's
it.
try chicken butt.
Yeah.
Yay!
And I really love tubu kimchi.
Yeah.
And what else? It's too easy for us, no? We're choosing too fast. So this is a very popular dish to eat in this kind of
Yeah, I love
pochas.
golbeni. I actually cook it myself at home.
Oh,
I
really?
I buy like canned golbeni at E-Mart and I just cook it myself. It's actually super easy. Yeah, you should try it. They sell the sauce for it, so I really don't think it's a good idea to buy it for this price here because you can cook it yourself at home.
Yeah, okay.
So we're gonna get this one, the squid. Because
Yeah.
Lina loves squid, I love
Yay.
squid. We love seafood. Yeah, we're gonna get this one.
Okay, so squid.
Yep.
Then we're gonna go with the tubu kimchi, right?
Yes, and chicken butts, chicken butts.
And chicken butts. Yeah, let's try. And some beer, right?
Yeah, for
Yeah, here, no beer, no food.
sure. No life. No beer, no life.
Okay, let's order.
그리고 오징어 스프. Amazing. I'm super excited for this. Are you excited?
Yes.
Let me believe you. Are you excited?
I'm actually so hungry.
Yeah,
And I
me
really
too.
like this kind of food with the beer recently.
Oh,
You know,
yeah.
when you sit outside,
Uh-huh.
fresh air, beer and food. I don't
Amazing.
know what
And the
can be-
weather is so great.
Yes.
The weather is amazing now. Yeah. September in Korea is perfect.
We got our beers. Let's try. Yeah. Jan. In Korea, you say jang. It's like a sound of glasses, like
Yeah.
like this. Yeah.
Like cheers. 감사합니다. Wow! Oh my god! Do you hear this? It's ASMR. Okay.
Sizzling sounds.
Yes, ASMR, ASMR. Oh, by the way, yeah, Koreans
yeah.
always do that. My dad taught me to do it also.
When you open the chopsticks, you
Yeah.
always should do that. To
Yeah.
remove all the things that can get stuck in
Yeah,
your hair.
right, right, right.
And just, yeah.
Yum,
So
yum, yum,
we
yum,
got
yum.
our fired boiled squid
Mhm.
and chicken butts.
Yes, chicken butts. I hope you like it because I love it so much.
Looks
I hope
good,
you
it
love it
smells
too.
really good.
Yeah. And the squid. 감사합니다. Yeah, I guess it's the sauce for my chicken butts.
Okay, let me try.
Yeah.
one.
Lina, try the squid first.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Some red sauce. Mm-hmm. Good. I think it's just normal squid.
But
Yeah.
it's very tender and it's
Oh,
not
really?
like sometimes it's hard to chew it, right?
Yeah, it gets like
This
plastic.
is super
Yeah.
soft and like very nice.
Cool. I want to try too. Okay, guys, let me try too.
Yeah, like a pro, like a pro.
All right, let's try. Should I try this? I'm gonna try this. Wow, smells amazing. Must be hot though. Let's see.
Chicken
Very
butts.
chewy. Yeah, very chewy. Crispy at the same time. Spicy a little bit, I guess, because of the sauce.
Ah, okay.
It's really good. Also,
Ah, I think you see?
Sesame?
Here is
Yeah,
the
also.
peppers. Yeah.
green pepper is super spicy. I really like how sesame goes well
Ah.
with the chicken butts. So funny every time I say chicken butts. But yeah, recommend.
For our amazing dinner. Yay, Jan. It's my first time
The moment of truth.
trying the chicken butt. I guess it's salt with pepper and oil, right?
Yeah, it is. Yeah? Yeah, it's good.
The taste is good. I just didn't expect this crunchiness kind of.
Oh yeah, exactly. I told you it's like kind of crunchy, crispy. Do you like it? Can you say you like it?
Not a big fan of chewy things in chicken.
Ah, really?
Yeah. But the taste is really good. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Right? Like, yeah, maybe if I eat with like other people,
Mm-hmm.
I definitely will try it. But maybe I won't order it for myself.
Mm-hmm. Maybe it can go well with rice for you. Mm-hmm. Rice is soft.
We haven't tried the tofu yet.
Oh yeah, we should do it.
Let's try.
Let's try. Okay. I think they eat it together with kimchi, right?
Yeah, I like it. Yeah. And you kind of should cut the tofu first.
Oh, really?
It's too big, yeah. The chopsticks and kind of separate.
Yeah, very easy. Whoop. Because tofu is so soft, you can easily cut it like this. Okay, I'm gonna try the tofu with kimchi. Very hard. I can't eat it. Alright. I'm gonna eat it now.
Here you go. What type of kimchi is that? Like what? Like sour or more sweet or like?
I ate meat, not kimchi. I think it's
Ah, okay. I guess I see.
Let's try the kimchi then. Okay, this is kimchi. It's sour. It's my favorite type of kimchi. I really love sour kimchi.
Oh really?
You know, they're different, yeah. Like some of them are fresh, so they're not sour at all. They're just spicy. But I love this like very like long fermented kimchi.
My favorite one is sweet one with posam.
Oh,
That they serve with posam. And it's sweet and spicy.
I also like the kimchi, the white one, because it's not spicy.
Things you can also do like that. Because tofu is like so soft, it's easy to do with one hand. But if it's not that soft, you should do it with two hands.
Some tips from Lina.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some Korean sandwich.
Good? Yeah.
It's good. That's sour, as I expected, as you said.
Oh. I think it's like,
Kinda
it's
very
more
mild.
sour. It is mild, right. It's very mild, but still sour, like more sour than the new kimchi that they just made this year. Yeah.
So good, like, and this is the meat, I guess.
Yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum.
I really like tofu kimchi, and it's better than I expected.
Okay, then Lina, who loves tubu kimchi, says it's good. Then it's actually good. Very good. With some onion.
Oh, okay.
That's true Korean. Spicy.
Actually, this thing turned out to be quite spicy.
It's fine for me. I'm also not good with spicy food, but I guess it just depends on people, like how you perceive the spiciness. Yeah, so for me this is fine, but kimchi is kind of spicy.
Oh, really? For me, it's not.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
But kind of, the more you eat, the more spicy it gets. That's the
Yeah.
thing. Peppers. So we came to a conclusion that too spicy is actually worse than like.
Yeah. Like Koreans really love spicy food, but honestly, if you put too much spice, like we at least think that the food kind of loses its taste. You know, you can't feel any taste.
Yeah, it just feels
It
spiciness.
burns, and you like. I can't understand the taste. And I also agree with that. So
Yeah.
yeah, let us know if you feel the same way, guys.
Yeah.
Do you like spicy food, or do you like if it's not too spicy, but just enough to make it, you know, a little bit like spiced up?
Spice up.
Really, 2 legs. Just 2 legs. It's like a snake tongue.
Oh my god.
Feels weird.
Really? I actually like
because it's like
I actually like the squid legs more than the other part. Yeah. You can do it.
I'm very full.
Actually, so many people like eating now, kind of. Yeah. It's pretty full.
When
Yeah.
we just came, there was almost nobody. Maybe like 10 tables.
Sun is down and everybody's out.
Drinking, of course. That's very good.
Okay.
형 집에서 자랑하는 게 우리 형인데.
Just realized, actually, it's München Beer Square. Crazy, right? So this place is called Münchenhof, and there's Ilgirofest.
It's like Oktoberfest. Literally Oktoberfest.
Oh
I
my
just thought
god!
about it. Makes sense, right? If they wanted it to be like Germany, then I guess it's Oktoberfest, Ilgirofest. Come to Ilgirofest. Yay!
Wow, so many people at night. Crazy. On Monday. So, I guess we're finished. We tried the tubu kimchi, the tofu
Super
kimchi.
full, super
Yeah.
full. Yeah, as you see, the kimchi is almost gone.
Yeah.
My
Chicken butts,
are
a
almost
little bit
gone.
too spicy. Yeah.
Yeah. And the food
Oh,
is
you
almost
know,
gone
yeah.
too. Very good. Everything was amazing.
Yeah, so definitely if you'll be in Seoul, definitely recommend this place. And like around
The
it,
atmosphere is
yeah.
super cool.
There are
Like,
so many places, different places around just
yeah,
to
you
walk
can see
and
different
see.
people.
Yeah.
They're all drinking, eating. Yeah, very fun.
That's a very like Korean experience that you can have.
True. And the food is very good. So why not? You should definitely check it out.
Yeah, especially come with friends. I think it's really fun for like a big company or just with a few people.
Actually, we're seeing some foreigners over there. I guess Lena can't see them.
Yeah,
but it's
yeah.
like a table with foreigners.
Yeah.
And seems like they're enjoying it.
It's a really hot place among both Koreans and foreigners, but I think not that many foreigners know about it.
Yeah. So we're trying to tell you, open some new opportunities and experiences for you.
Don't be scared that it looks a little bit weird. It's really nice and has this spirit of Korea.
Right.
So, bye. Yeah,
Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.
Oh, okay.
We just saw one that looks like garage.
It's like a parking lot. Really, just tables in a parking lot. Wow, so many people even here. We wanted to eat here at first, but they were closed. But now, yeah, and so many people. So usually the original ones, they kind of look like this.
It's actually like a wagon, right? Like a covered wagon.
Tent?
Yeah, it's hands.
And foods here are kind of different from what we tried. More casual, I would say.
They have oysters.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Wow.
Sorry.
Yeah.
So good.
Here.
And chukbuni.
Oh, yeah, me too. But it's too spicy for me. I can't do
Oh,
this.
true.